Imagine an auto repair shop empty all day. Now picture it fully booked, doors buzzing non-stop. What's the secret? AI. Yep, artificial intelligence isn't just sci-fi. It's changing real garages today. Meet Joe, a mechanic drowning in slow days and unpaid bills. He plugged in an AI system that predicts car problems before customers even call. Suddenly, his calendar exploded with appointments. AI helps diagnose issues faster than any human. It's like having a brain that never sleeps. Shops once struggling now see 3x the customers. Here's the wild part. Some AI tools even chat with customers, booking appointments automatically. No more missed calls or no-shows. Plus, AI spots maintenance trends, so repairs become proactive, saving cars and cash. Imagine turning your tiny garage into a tech-powered hub, beating the competition with data, not just wrenches. This isn't future talk, it's happening now. So why stick to the old grind? What's stopping your shop from going AI? Could your business be the next success story? Tell me, would you trust AI to fix your car?